Alright guys, we got this headlight, man. Look at all this
What's
water.
going on? We took this off of EVO.
Yo, check this EVO out.
Look at it. Look at it.
God damn.
It's a clean little build.
Check out this nice little turb ski. Word, you tell him, Audrey.
Yes, sir. So
we got the headlight.
look at this.
We got this other one completed right here.
We just removed the that plastic cap in that.
We took
chrome.
that
We're
off.
just painting that.
Yeah, we're gonna paint that black. This thing's gonna go hard.
Go really hard.
Word. So right now we're about to open this one up, and then
It's all full of water.
we're gonna do the same thing.
Look at the puddle.
Yeah, look at all this puddle, all this water that came out of it. Oh. All right, guys. When we start opening this, we'll catch you guys right back.
Yes.
Yeah, we'll be heating this up right now.
Don't burn yourself.
We got
Yeah, I heated up pretty good right here now.
Master Technician Henry over here, getting to work on this headlight.
Yep. Slowly burning ourselves.
We got ASE certified Vic.
What up? What up? What up?
Yeah, we're opening up this EVO headlight. We're gonna black it out right after we open this one up, and then we're gonna deoxidize the outside.
At least I tried to.
Anyway, we'll see how it goes. Guys, we got the second headlight open. Now Mr. Vic over here is gonna go grab the spray paint. Tell him about it, Henry.
Yeah. He's gonna buy some spray paint. We're gonna get this matte finish, not satin, because we don't want the not gloss, because we don't want the shine on it.
Word. Yes, sir, Henry. Yeah, you have it on the slow setting, bro.
You have to be 21.
Alright, guys, right now we're scuffing up the housing, and then Vic picked up the paint right here. We're gonna make it black.
Tell us, Clevis, what's the reason why we're scuffing this?
Hey man, the paint has to stick to it, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I need an abrasive like this, a Scotch pad.
So yeah, I gotta get the Scotch pad and put this. Let's check out the EVO though. Yeah, Vic, tell us what you've done to it.
Nothing major, just some regular bolt-ons.
These bolt-ons.
Yeah. Soon to be built.
Soon? You're gonna build an engine?
Yeah.
Word.
Upgraded depth, transfer case, gearbox.
Vic got all the modifications planned for this. Let's check out this IS. This is, huh? Yeah, this is the other project right here. The IS. Why is the oil pan? Is it leaking?
Yeah.
Leaking a little bit. So, you know, the return line?
Yeah,
Turbo? Oh, that's why it was smoking?
Yeah.
Shouldn't be an issue. But yeah, man, this is the other IS project, as you guys can see, and we'll see what happens to this John. All right, guys.
I don't want to get your pants or
These are one of the headlights right here. We got professional painter Henry over here going to work.
You see that swift
Yeah,
motion
right.
I give it? Yeah, right there's the last.
Under there, yeah. Alrighty.
You can lay it flat now, and then
I don't think you need to spray another one, bro.
And then we'll check it out after it dries.
Oh, shit,
right up here.
Right here.
Yeah, right there.
Hit that shit right now.
Oh, look.
Yeah, it's a little wind right now.
Honestly, this looks perfect.
Right here.
It's a little
Let it dry and
That looks
Yeah.
fine, bro. I don't
I'll
think
hit
it
it
needs
right here again.
this is lit, bro.
Looks good?
Right here.
You liking it?
Yeah.
That spot.
Hit it right there. Okay.
That's good enough.
I don't know if you need another.
We'll check it out after it dries up.
Yeah,
Then.
do the small ones. Do the two small
Yeah,
ones.
I'll do that now.
Alright, guys. So we got that fully painted. Now Andre's about to do these two little ones, and we'll be back once these are done. And we're gonna start putting them on the car.
That wasn't so much for show.
Alright, Jovi, time lapse this.
It's a little. I'll do that for now. That's it.
Do that one too.
Alright.
Guys, we put the first piece on there.
Right
As you guys can
here.
tell, this thing looks brand new.
Basically.
We got Vic cleaning it up. We got all the parts drying right now on top of the car.
I'll show you guys. So
Yeah, we
I
also
hit
did the
these. The amber delete.
The amber delete.
Got
So
rid
it's
of
gonna-
that
it's gonna
ugly.
look even cleaner now.
Exactly. So this, I'm gonna probably hit it with one light coat because I can already tell right here. It's already like not even fully blacked. This is pretty much already done. We're just gonna assemble it onto that.
Shit, guys, it's coming together. Coming together well.
Yeah, I mean we sound so boring. Jovi's the
Hey, Jovi here. He's the energy.
yeah. Then we're gonna do the rear lights as well, which I don't know, maybe.
All right, guys. As you guys can tell,
Reheating.
this is the headlight right here.
It's a little yellow. Don't mind that.
Yeah, we're
We'll
gonna
wet
fix that up
sand it.
later.
Yeah, that's for another time.
Look at that, how quick
See, trying to make the glue tacky. That's that watertight seal. We can put that piece on top of there. And basically just screw everything back on and we'll be done. And repeat with the other side.
All right, guys, we got this assembled for the most part, and we're just gonna heat it up a little bit more and get that all cleaned up.
But so far it's looking clean.
All right, Vic. So before we show the car, how you feel about it, man?
Super stoked, man. It's good. Looks way better than before. Looks like factory.
Damn. Check that out. Black this out right here. Damn, this camera quality is insane. Black this John out. Let's check out the back.
Next job is the rear.
This is the next job, Vic says. He wants to do the back. EVO 9 conversion. Yeah, this would look very clean. Yeah, this thing came out insanely good. Yeah, it's insane. Yo, Henry.
Yo, what's
show me your
going
new
back,
car, dog.
YouTube? So I have very exciting news. New member in the family.
Is it that? Is it that Mercedes?
Ain't wrong.
Oh, what is it? Even
Right here. Look what
What?
we got. This buckle
Yo,
right here.
You got a car on your turbo, bro.
Yeah, bro. I got a car right on my turbo. 85 millimeter. You know
Wait.
how we do it out here. Play a boost.
How much boost?
Hits at 5K RPM, so we're talking
You tell him.
35 pounds of boost right there.
Yes, sir. Damn.
The lag is
Right.
crazy though.
Facts. Nah, this is fat.
Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm on my 2025 Mitsubishi Evolution, and it comes in manual. Surprisingly, not electric. You know what I'm saying?
Electric?
Give it a good.
Electric? You mean fucking
Automatic.
dumbass.
And it's not electric either. So like you know, F carbon footprint, but I don't give a fuck. 'cause
Word.
I like
Henry, you got a turbo on
gas
this
is
bitch?
fire. Yeah, check that bitch out. Look at that.
Show me the turbo. Oh my god.
Right down here. It's a big old Garrett 55 millimeter.
That's not 55. That's like facts. That's like 85.
Yeah, maybe 85 on a good day.
Yeah. Word.
You can see we got the
Advan Racing wheels. We
Look
got
at the brakes
Big
on
old Brembos.
four piston.
Brand new, right?
4-piston on a 2,500 pound car. This thing takes off like a missile. I'm telling you. Faded trim. That just adds like 5 horsepower. Each window costs about like $5,000.
How much horsepower does this add?
This bitch, guess.
80?
More.
Word? How much?
120, baby.
120 horsepower
120 with this.
for the vortexes.
The aerodynamics
Uh-huh.
of this, it really cuts the air, so meaning
Word.
that we go flowing through traffic.
Flowing through traffic?
Yeah.
Like that scene of Cars, right?
Yeah, including this wing.
Oh my god. Look at this carbon.
This is the big boy.
Big boy, eh? Wow. This bad. Not even a wrap either.
Look at that weave.
Not even a wrap.
I got a little bit of nick in here, but it's alright. I mean, shit. Yeah, I mean,
That just tells you that's real carbon.
it just tells you, yeah, like all the wind speed, it damaged it actually.
Oh,
the
wow.
wind is
How
what
fast you
broke
be
it.
going, bro?
I can't say I get arrested.
Oh, shit. How about Mexico?
Shit, Mexico, I mean, Mexico, no speed limit. I don't mean to brag, but 350.
Shit. No.
Miles per hour, not kilometers.
What does this say? Bye.